Okay, so we're going to go over Module 7, which is on week 4, June 20th through the 30th. So it's all about Chapter 12 in this module. We're going to read Chapter 12 in the book, watch the lecture videos, which are below, take the Chapter 12 quiz, take the Edpuzzle video quiz on Michelangelo's David, which is probably, honestly, the most famous sculpture on the planet. Read the article David, a comparison of 5 sculptures, and complete the corresponding quiz below. And then just keep working on project number 2, the public art project. That will be due at the end of this week, July 4th, which is a Sunday, before 11:30 p.m. So here's the Chapter 12 PowerPoint, the lecture videos, the Chapter 12 quiz, the Edpuzzle video quiz, and then the article that you will click on, it's a link, it'll take you to a website with the article on it. You read that, and then go ahead and take the David, a comparison of 5 sculptures quiz. That's due June 30th. I believe there's about 15 or so questions. I'll fill out the description underneath to give you a little bit better idea of what to expect on that quiz, but do expect to see, true and false, multi-select, multiple choice, and even some written response answers on this quiz. It's kind of a blend of all of those types. Typically in this class, we just take multiple choice quizzes, but there's some actual written response questions on this quiz. So definitely make sure to read that article thoroughly. I would suggest reading through it a couple times at least before even starting the quiz. So that's it for Module 7. See you next time.